How to delete your ex account. Hey everyone, this is Rose, and I'm here to guide you to delete your ex account. Do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tech and tips videos. First of all, ensure to launch your X or Twitter app on your device. Sign into the account which you want to delete on your X. Tap the search icon or the profile icon at top left corner of the screen. Tap Setting and Support at bottom of the screen. Choose Settings and Privacy. Select your account at top of the screen and choose Deactivate Account. Tap Deactivate button, enter the password, and then tap Deactivate button at the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you do that, your account will be deactivated for 30 days. And after the 30 days, when you do not log in back to your account will be deleted permanently. So that is it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.